Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a stable bike, matching wheel size, and the proper tools. Once you have brackets, bolts, and a drill, measure the axle and clearance carefully. You need about 1/2 inch tolerance between bracket and tire. Now mark bracket placement on the frame using the wheel edge as a reference. Drill pilot holes in the bracket if needed and file any sharp edges. Make sure the bike is secured, so your first bolt can be installed cleanly without the wheel moving. You fasten the bracket to the frame next, inserting 2 bolts and leaving them snug but not fully tightened so you can adjust. Slide the wheel arm into the bracket and set the training wheel height so it barely contacts the ground when the bike is upright. This ensures balanced training. Once height is right, adjust tilt with washers so the wheel runs straight. Make sure both sides mirror each other. Symmetry prevents pulling. Finally, evenly tighten bolts while holding alignment steady. You complete installation by fully tightening fasteners and adding lock nuts or a drop of thread locker to resist vibration. You should then test ride at a slow pace, walking beside the rider if necessary, to confirm the training wheels support balance without rubbing. If you hear rubbing or sense wobble, stop and recheck axle play and bracket alignment. Loosen, rebalance, add a thin washer shim, and red-iton. Make sure clearance remains about 1/2 inch, and that both wheels touch simultaneously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.